Go. This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Carlisle Import and Performance Show. We are checking out this absolutely outrageous rat 34 Dodge. Twin blower. Look at this thing. Great, absolutely great. Too sweet. Look at the exhaust. Just going down and right out. Beautiful. I like the beading with the wire over there. Cool interior. The roof originally, of course, was fabric. It's now just sheet metal tacked in there. There we go. Bring that down. I want to show you some of the work done here. Look at the welding over there. Neat touches. Dodge Brothers over there. Rats are done with such imagination. You can see all the repairs to the body. Another thing I want to bring out is look at the way how that fender's beaded on there.
It's been a good selection all day.
Another thing I want to show you is this is what he started with and ended up with. You can see how rough it is, but you see those points? That's just rust through of the body. Still coming through. So he did not start with a cherry, to say the very least. Pull back. There we go. This stabilizer is very interesting to work with. Look at these repairs.
Oh, stabilizer. Yeah, nice.
See how he laid in that extra strip in the fender? Just get it right. I want to show you also the framework over here. Well, we got those catwalks in there. Really pretty cool. Pretty cool. Leaving a lot of the dents adds a lot. One more thing I'd like to show you, actually a couple of more things I'd like to show you. This is really cool. Look at all that work there. That's all hammered out, folks. No putty. That is honest, honest, honest. Hammered out and welding. Another cool touch. Oil pressure up there. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Carlisle Import and Performance Show. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.